Before you start EUGYing, wash your hands. Make sure your surface is clean. Let's begin. Push out each piece and place in sequence. And don't forget to read our fun facts. Now we are ready to start EUGYing. Glue L1 and R1 together. Apply the glue near the edges of the pieces, but don't use too much glue. Hold for 20 seconds. Squeeze the edges of the A-bar. Put the A-bar in the slot. Start adding the next pieces in order. Did you know? Chameleons change color to warm up or cool down. It's also used as a signaling tool to attract mates or warn enemies. Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Continue to add the pieces using the alignment guides. Push through the A-bar. Add the final piece using the alignment guide. Did you know? A chameleon's tongue can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 1/100th of a second. That's way faster than a jet plane. Let's repeat with the right side. Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Now for the legs. Glue the T1 pieces together. Squeeze the top of T1 for easier insert. Wiggle and insert T1 in the front gap. Glue the T2 pieces together. Squeeze the top of T2 for easier insert. Wiggle and insert T2 in the gap. There's also a tongue included. Glue the pieces together and insert into the mouth. All complete! When you are finished, don't forget to tidy up and recycle the cardboard panels.
Bring home your whale! EUGY!
Meet more EUGY friends on our website.